Hey everybody, this is Robert, your instructor for LA 108, Composition for the Artist. And I wanted to do a quick video check-in with you because I think it's possible to overthink the process analysis PowerPoint. And I want to just distill it down so you guys feel empowered to do just a really good job with it, one that you can be proud of and like invest an afternoon in putting together and step away from it feeling, yeah, that was pretty cool what I created. So here's the basic idea, okay? Imagine you're creating this PowerPoint for a 14-year-old intelligent girl. So if you think about it, intelligent 14-year-old girls don't have a lot of latitude for BS. They want you to get to the point with colorful, useful details. They want to understand the stages of an artistic process really clearly, but they also want to get some sense of background, why the process matters, and maybe some of the artistic principles that lie behind the creation of the art. Like, what are the main ideas that govern the creation of this art, right? And so, basically what you've got are about 8 PowerPoint frames where you can take this young girl through the stages of creating this work of art. How is it done? How do we sculpt a head or paint a landscape picture or do silk screening on a t-shirt or edit a piece of film or like compose a melody? Yeah. So if you write from your heart and your mind in a way which is simple, direct, and yet entertaining and engaging. If you put your heart into this, this will be a pleasure and it will be easy to do. Okay. So, again, don't overthink this assignment, but instead just sit down and have fun with it. Now, I will remind you that in the announcements, I've posted a couple of examples of successful uh, process analysis PowerPoints from a previous semester. And so you're set to go. Please feel free to reach out to me at any point this week or even during the weekend if you have any questions. If I don't pick up, just leave a text and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, that's it. Good luck with your project. Bye bye.